Hi, this is Dr. Harish Shandilya. I'm heading Global Regulatory Affairs, Product Portfolio Management, and Intellectual Property Department at Enzene. Implementing continuous manufacturing in biopharma may pose several challenges, and that needs to be addressed to ensure successful integration into existing processes. Some of the common hurdles, if you ask me, which is faced in the implementation of continuous manufacturing in biopharma includes initial high investment cost, system complexity, lack of qualified professionals who understand this technology deeply. Since continuous manufacturing is a very recent technology adopted in the biopharmaceutical manufacturing, regulators has expectations of a lot of process analytics data to demonstrate process consistency and uniform product quality. If you ask me, Enzene has gone through all these hurdles as a startup and established itself as a market leader in continuous manufacturing. So, it means today, if you see, we have further validated our process with 3 commercial launches of monoclonal antibody, which includes cetuximab, which is our first biosimilar in the world to Avitax, and we have successfully done that.